welcome back to the channel. It's Farouk there. I hope everyone is doing well. So in today's lesson, it's gonna be a quick video. Just want to show you how you can hide the keyboard on your screen. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So for instance, when you write something here in the text field, then if you want to make this keyboard disappear by either clicking anywhere on the screen or by pressing the return button like this. So I'm gonna show you today in this lesson how you can do that. Okay, so actually I'd like to begin a new series of video in parallel of the Instagram series. So these kind of videos are going to be very short. I mean in between 5 and 10 minutes maximum, just to show you how you can handle and use Xcode easier. Okay, so I think these kind of videos could be useful for a beginner and for those who want to improve their Xcode skills. Okay, so here we go. We're going to click there. Okay, create a new Xcode project, then select single view app, press next, then you're going to give a name to your project. So I'm going to call it hide the keyboard, for instance. It doesn't matter. Okay, then you press next, you save the project, and here we go, here we are. Okay, here you are going to launch the simulator, okay, in order to see if we get our white screen, blank screen, which means that the project is well. That's what we get, so we are good to go. Then you are going to go to main.storyboard. Okay, so here we are going to design quickly our UI. Okay, so you can close this side, I think. Okay, then press onto the white screen. Okay, here you are going to change the background color to whatever you want. Maybe I think I'm going to select the yellow one like this. Okay, then press here and select a text field. Okay, like this. Cool. If you don't have already the text field, you just have to simply write text field in the search bar and then you're good to go. Okay, cool. Once we have put the text field, you can enlarge it like this. Just put it in the middle, in the center of the screen. Here we're going to give it some constraints. Okay, but actually for the video it doesn't matter. Okay, and once we've done that, you're going to close this side, the right side, and click here. Okay, so as it's our storyboard on the left side, now we have the code part on the right side. Okay, so the first thing to do is to connect the UI object, our text field, with the code part. Okay, so what you are going to do is to press onto the object, press Ctrl on your keyboard, okay, and drag it like this. Okay, here you're going to name it text field, just like the UI object. Okay, select connect, and here now it's connected to the code. Okay, then you have to, in order to manipulate, yes, to make hide, I can say, the keyboard, you have to call the UI Text Field Delegate. Okay, but we can also relaunch our simulator in order to see if we get our yellow background with our UI text field, and we are good to go. Okay, so here if I press on that text field, I get my keyboard. But if it doesn't work on your side, what you can do is to go there on hardware and then press toggle software keyboard like this. Okay, and then you will get your keyboard. So then we can write something, we don't care. Okay, and as you can see, if I press anywhere on the screen or on the return button, nothing happens. Okay, so we can stop it for the moment, and right now the first thing to do is to now connect this UI text field delegate with our UI text field object. So this, you just have to write text field like this, dot delegate is equal to self. Cool. When we have done that, the next thing to do is to call the touches begin function, and here you can write view dot end editing, and inside the parentheses you can write through. Okay, cool. And if I relaunch right now my app, normally if I write something in the text field and then I press anywhere outside of the text field, the keyboard should disappear. Okay, so we are going to make a try like this, and as you can see, whenever I press outside of the text field, the keyboard disappears. Okay, so we are good to go for the so far. Okay, the next function that we need is text field should return simply. Okay, and here you can write text field dot resign first responder. Okay, but we haven't finished yet, because as you can see we have this arrow here in here, so which means that this function expects a result, and here it expects a boolean, which means either it's true or false. Okay, so in order to give the result, you always have to write return, which can signify equal, and then you write true like this. Okay, and we are good to go. So I'm going to relaunch my app one last time to show you if it works. So in here, if you write and then you press the return button, as you can see, the keyboard disappears like this. Okay, and if I press outside of the text field, it works as well. So that's it for today's lesson. I hope you've enjoyed this quick lesson. I will try my best to upload more short videos like this one, and also to shoot the next one for the Instagram series. Thank you very much for having listened my series. I see you in the next lesson, guys. Bye bye.